Have you ever wondered why certain foods might cause your stomach to churn? Or why some people can't enjoy a simple peanut butter sandwich? Well, let's unravel this mystery together. Food allergies and sensitivities are immune system responses that occur after consuming certain foods. When our bodies mistakenly identify a harmless food as a threat, it triggers an allergic reaction. Some of the most common food allergens include peanuts, tree nuts, milk, eggs, wheat, soy, fish, and shellfish. If you've experienced symptoms like hives, itchiness, or even difficulty breathing after eating, you might have a food allergy. These reactions can range from mild to severe, with the most serious being anaphylaxis, a life-threatening condition that requires immediate medical attention. But don't let this scare you. Knowledge is power, and understanding food allergies and sensitivities is the first step towards managing them effectively. So, let's delve deeper into this topic and learn how to navigate through the world of food allergies and sensitivities. But what if the reaction to a food item isn't immediate or as severe, yet it still discomforts you? Welcome to the world of food sensitivities. Unlike food allergies that trigger an immediate immune response, food sensitivities are a bit more covert. They're like the stealthy ninjas of the food reaction world, often going unnoticed or misdiagnosed due to their subtlety. Symptoms can appear anywhere from a few hours to a few days after consumption, making it a challenging mystery to pinpoint the culprit. Common food sensitivities include lactose intolerance, where the body struggles to digest lactose, a sugar found in milk and dairy products. Gluten intolerance or non-celiac gluten sensitivity is another example where individuals experience bloating and other discomforts after consuming gluten. Sensitivity to food additives like artificial colors and preservatives can also lead to unpleasant reactions. So remember, not all food reactions are immediate or severe. Food sensitivities can be a silent bother, often going undiagnosed due to their subtle and delayed symptoms. So how can one tell if they have a food allergy or sensitivity? Well, it's essential to recognize that self-diagnosis can often lead to misinterpretation. Therefore, seeking medical advice is crucial. Medical professionals use various diagnostic methods, each with its unique purpose. Skin prick tests, for instance, involve introducing a small amount of the suspected allergen into the skin to observe reactions. Blood tests, on the other hand, measure the level of certain antibodies in the bloodstream, providing insights into potential allergies. An elimination diet could be suggested, where you avoid certain foods for a period and gradually reintroduce them to observe any adverse reactions. In some cases, a food challenge might be conducted under medical supervision, where you consume the suspected food in controlled amounts. Remember, it's vital to consult a healthcare professional for an accurate diagnosis. Misdiagnosis can lead you down a path of unnecessary discomfort. A correct diagnosis can be the difference between living with unnecessary discomfort and enjoying a more comfortable life. Now that we understand what food allergies and sensitivities are and how they're diagnosed, what can we do about them? Managing these conditions requires a proactive approach. A key strategy is avoiding known allergens. This might involve a bit of detective work, but it's necessary. You'll need to become an expert at reading food labels, looking out for hidden ingredients that might trigger a reaction. Next, consider how you prepare your food. Cross-contamination can occur if allergenic foods come into contact with other food items. So it's essential to keep your kitchen utensils and surfaces clean and separate allergen-free foods from others. And let's not forget about emergency medication. For severe allergies, it's crucial to always have epinephrine auto-injectors at hand. They can be life-saving in case of an anaphylactic reaction. While food allergies and sensitivities can be daunting, they don't have to limit your life. Awareness, understanding, and management are key.